Log into Jeda.ai account. Create or enter a workspace. Now let's explore the core of today's tutorial. Unlike other diagrams, the flowchart elements and the shapes in the add-ons menu are dynamic. Shapes in Jeda.ai aren't just static objects. They come alive with built-in writing functions, allowing you to annotate by double-clicking on them. And what about flowcharts? They are equally dynamic. Double-click on any of them to edit the text. Let's see these in action. Although manual flowchart creation is still an option, you may receive AI assistance to create a flowchart. I mean, why not? These elements not only help in visualizing processes, but also ensure every step is clearly communicated. Don't forget, customization is key. Adjust the width of the borders with just a few clicks to match your style. Thanks for your interest in Jeda.ai, where your ideas take shape and your strategies come to life.